Hello everyone, my name is Tyler and I'm with CNA Scales. Today we are going to be going over running orders through the face of the IND 780 controller. We're going to start with a couple checks that it's good to run through before you start loading. First check is down below your audit printer. We should have a power light green with no air light. That tells us that the printer is ready and operational. The next check is making sure your selector switch is in auto and all gates are closed. I'm going to come in a little bit here, a little closer to the face. This is where we will actually be entering in the orders. So to start, you will start by clicking new order. It will auto-populate off your last order you placed. So running through it quick, we will start back at the top. Order type, ship, receive, transfer, very common for it to be shipped. This is outgoing, outbound loads. Next is start mode. This is how we want to start the order once we are done inputting the information. We have auto, manual, or pause. Auto will start the order the second we press OK. Manual will prompt us to click the start button to start after we get through this page, and pause will automatically take us to pause mode. It essentially starts the order but does not start opening any gates. Order ID. So entering in an order ID, this is essentially going to be your car number or your batch number. So we're going to use these gray soft keys underneath. You use these soft keys by going to a category and then selecting the individual letter. So we're going to come in, and this is going to be a test. Now, numbers, number key off to the side. That is how you input numbers. Now, to save the information into the field, you do have to press the enter button, which is the center of the arrows. That will take you to the next category. Order size, that is the total amount of product that we want to run. So let's say we're going to do a 200,000 pound order. And then our draft size, that is each individual dump, what we want to draft at. I'm going to leave this at 32,000. This is going to be very common to never touch. Now, when starting an order, before we go ahead and say okay to start the order, we want to make sure at least one of these is queued and highlighted. That means all of your fields have been saved. So let's go ahead and start the order by pressing OK. It's automatically going to do its check and print its header on the audit printer, and then open the upper garner gate. Our black box here, this is telling us what the scale is actually attempting to do. So no feed is basically saying, hey, our upper garner gate is open, but we're not currently giving it a feed. So let's go ahead and give it a feed. So this scale is going to build up. And now it's going to discharge. Now, this order is going to take multiple drafts. We're just going to go ahead and take a couple here. Now, say we've ran all the product that we want to run. To finish this order, it gives you a simple finish button. Also on this screen, it gives you a pause button. Pause just simply closes all the gates, puts the system in a pause state, and at any point in time, then you can click auto start, and it will go right back to where it left off. So let's go ahead and finish this order. So it's going to take the weight that we ran, and down here on our audit printer, it is going to give us a nice clean ticket showing all of our drafts, all of our weights, total weight ran, And that is the quick rundown on how to run an order through the face of the IND 780. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact our office at 712 545 3461.